In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency CumRocket on the Gate.io exchange. If you want to create a new account, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can follow all the steps along, and you are eligible for up to $100 of bonus. To create an account, simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. So the first thing we can do is to enable two-factor authentication. And to do that, we simply go up here to our profile icon, and then click on security verification. As you can see right here, you can enable the two-factor authentication. In my case, I connected it to the Google Authenticator, so you can just click on link right here, and then you have a second layer of security for your account. The second thing we can do is, if we scroll up right here, is to pass the KYC identity verification. As you can see, there are two stages. In my case, I only passed the first one, where you have to enter your name and type in the document number of your ID. In the second one, you would also have to upload some documents and a picture, but you really only need that for some type of fiat deposits. Alright, so once you're done with these two things right here, you can now deposit money to your account. First, I'll show you how to deposit crypto, and to do that, we go up here to Wallet and then click on Deposit. Then we get to this page, and as you can see, we have these three different sections. Here we can choose the coin we want to deposit. Here we can choose the network, and down here we can see the address where we have to send money to. So how it works is you just go up here to the coin and choose any of these coins. There are so many available on Gate.io. You can just use the search and type in, for example, BTC. Go up a bit. Here's Bitcoin. Choose Bitcoin. Then you can choose the network. Of course, we can always just choose the official network of the currency. And so in this case, it would be the Bitcoin network. And down here, we can see the Bitcoin address where we have to send money to. So we can just copy that and send Bitcoin to this address, and then it will appear right in our account. And that's just how it works for any coin. I personally like to just deposit US dollar Tether, because then with US dollar Tether, you can basically buy any cryptocurrency on Gate.io. But of course, you can always deposit any cryptocurrency and then exchange it for US dollar Tether, and then with US dollar Tether, buy any cryptocurrency you like on the platform. The good thing about US dollar Tether is that there are just so many trading pairs with US dollar Tether, so you can buy almost any coin with US dollar Tether. So it just works really good for a medium of exchange. All right, so that's how you deposit crypto. Next, let's take a look at how to deposit with fiat. If you don't have any crypto yet that you can deposit, it's no problem. You can just easily buy crypto with your credit card or a bank transfer right on the platform. So let's just go to buy crypto up here and then click on credit card. And now that's the page where you can buy with US dollar, with euro, with any of these fiat currencies right here that you can see. So in this case, let's choose US dollar. Here we can type in the amount we want to invest. And here we can choose the currency that we will purchase right on the platform. So you can choose, if you just want to buy any of these currencies, you can choose them directly. And otherwise, I would just recommend you to just use US dollar Tether, because I will just show you in just a bit how you can buy any coin with US dollar Tether. Down here, you can now select a service provider. You can also see the payment options right here. So some of them offer like credit cards and, for example, some bank transfer options. Some also offer like, for example, Apple Pay. So choose whichever one you like. In this case, let's just go for this one right here. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see how much you will pay and how much you will receive and what the fees are. So you can just agree to that and then click on purchase. And then you will get to this page right here, where you can see this is just a partner of Gate.io, and then you can just click on create order down here. And then in the next step, just enter your details, for example, your credit card details, and then you can confirm the purchase, and then it will appear right in your Gate.io account. All right, so once you have deposited any money to your Gate.io account, you can just easily check that by going up here to wallet and then click on funds overview. And on this page, you will get a quick overview of all your assets that you have on your account. You can see the total amount right here. And if you click on your spot account, that's where all your money will appear. If you deposit something, you can just click on that. And then here you can see a list of all your cryptocurrencies that you have on your account. So you can easily check right here if your balance has been credited. All right, so to make the purchase, we go up here to trade, and then we go to spot trading and then click on standard right here. Then we get to this trading page right here. It might look a little bit complicated at the beginning, but I will show you step by step now what all of this means. So right here on the left, we can choose the trading pair, of course. So there are so many that you can choose, or you can search for one right here. Here is the chart we can see, the trading chart, where we can also switch the time frame, for example. Right next to it here, we can see the order book. So all the selling orders up here and all the buying orders down here. And here we can see the trade history. Right here in the middle, this is the section where we can control all of our trades. So as you can see, we can choose a limit order on the spot market. And you might be wondering, where is the market order that we can execute immediately? Don't worry, we can easily use a limit order to make a market order. And to do that, we just enter a price right here that's a little bit above the current price. You could either type it in right here or just click on whichever trading pair you are in the order book right here on the top, for example, somewhere. And then the price is a little bit above the current price, and then it will execute it just like a market order. If you want to buy a smaller a coin right here on the platform, it's almost always the case that you need to have US dollar tether to buy the coin. So I recommend you, if you have deposited any other cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything else, you can just go here to the trading pair that you need. For example, if you have deposited Bitcoin, then you sell Bitcoin for USDT first. And now I will show you how to buy the cryptocurrency with US dollar tether. In this case, we want to buy the cryptocurrency CumRocket, so we're just going to go up here to the search bar and type in the symbol for that, which is CUMMIES, so just CUMMIES. There we have it, USDT, that's the one we need, so we can also see it up here that we have it selected. The price chart is only so small because the price isn't listed for too long right now with this trading pair, so that's why we only have 2 weeks available right here. So let's go down here to spot trading, limit order. Here we can see our US dollar tether balance that we have available on our account again. And here we can type in the price at which we want to buy. I would recommend you just use the trick and click somewhere up here in the order book. Then the price right here is a little bit above the current market price, but this will actually cause our order to be triggered as a market order. So we will buy immediately at the current market price. Down here we can type in the amount of our balance we want to invest. So you could type in any amount right here manually, or just use one of these buttons to go, for example, for 50%, or let's just go for 100%. Now all we have to do is just scroll down here and click on buy, then our order will be filled immediately and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to create an account on Gate.io by using the link down from the video description to get started directly, and you will also be eligible for the up to $100 of bonus. Also subscribe to the channel to not miss out on any new crypto tutorials, and if you have any questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.